Class C containers offer a range of infectious substance packaging solutions for the transportation of Class 6.2 Category B infectious substances, which can also be used with our thermal control packaging. Category B infectious substances require a triple packaging solution, which, in this example, consists of leak-proof cryovial boxes, a leak-proof secondary packaging capable of withstanding an internal pressure of 95 kPa, and a rigid outer packaging. Absorbent cushioning will also be required. The code 762 Bioshipper-2 is supplied flat-packed. It's been designed with an easy pop-up construction. Designed for higher volume shipments, this kit can carry individually wrapped cryovial boxes or a multitude of primary receptacles. Always refer to the code 762 assembly instructions when assembling this package. Assemble the box. Place the cryovial box into the leak-proof secondary packaging with an appropriate amount of absorbent material. Place the bio bag into the outer box. Close the outer box. Seal with foil tamper evidence seal. Your product is now correctly packaged and ready for any other necessary consignment information.